What's up, Miami Boat Ramps? It's your boy, CEO V. I love y'all. I'm here all the time. I miss y'all for a few days, but y'all back on track. I love y'all.
So I'm going to let you guys know up front, this episode's going to be a little different. I wanted to show you guys a different side of 79th Street. This is the side that gives me anxiety when I watch it as well, though. People ask all the time, hey, Broncos Guru, Wavy Boats guys, I know this crazy busy boat ramp. But a lot of times we do the research on it, and it's not nearly as busy as a lot of the places we see. I mean, 79th gets insane, and the crazy part is you guys typically don't even see the busiest part of it because we're gone. We typically leave before it gets dark. And I swear to you, 79th, as you can see right here, it's almost dark, gets busier once the sun starts to go down than it does before. I mean, it's absolute insanity. Here right now, you can tell it's crazy. I mean, the party literally gets started here at 79th once the sun goes down. Go to your local boat ramp. I know my local boat ramp that I use on a consistent basis. If I go there at dark, there isn't anybody around. Here at 79th, the parking lot's packed. Everybody's having a good time. And it's a little more difficult, and that's why I said this episode is going to be a little different, for me to be able to pinpoint some of the stuff that's going on. Because it's dark, we can't see that great. But if you look in the background here, you're going to see a jet ski touring a vessel in, and this is a little bit of a dangerous move. Because you can't even, you can barely see the jet ski. You can see the lights on the boat, but the jet ski is not even legally supposed to be operating at night anyway. But when you're towing with a jet ski and it looks like they're on a short leash, basically, this is what makes it dangerous, because that boat, he can't really stop it. So he's pulling the momentum of the boat forward, but it's right, the boat's right on top of him. You'll see it as this jet boat comes out of the picture. You'll see it right here. So this vessel that we see right here, you can kind of see the guy in the jet ski in front of it. But I'm curious to see how this approach is going to work out, because, I mean, it looks like whatever kind of towing they're doing here, they're using a short line, because this boat's right on top of them. And they're coming in on their approach, though. And it looks like he's trying to guide them. He's yelling some stuff back to the guys in the boat as well. But the interesting part here is there's, once again, when he stops momentum on the ski, this boat's going to keep going. As you can see right here, it's kind of running him over. So he stopped with the acceleration on the ski, but the boat's just pushing him now. And here we go. It's going to get a little interesting as he tries to get this one buttoned up. But the tough part, once again, he's attached to the boat. So because he's attached to the boat, he can't get too far away. And the boat's just bigger and heavier than him, obviously. And he's getting a little sideways. Is he going to... For a minute there, I thought he was going to take a swim. And it looks like they might finally have it buttoned up a little bit here. Now our guy's sliding out again. Oh! And there you can tell, once again, he's still attached. So he started to pull away, but the line snapped on him. It didn't snap in half, but snapped him back toward the boat. I mean, with the boat being on the dock, I'd probably kill the motor on the ski at this point, but he's still got it on. And right there, it's still pulling on it. But the easiest thing would be just to turn the motor off on the ski, probably. And it's going to get spinning sideways on him. It looks like he got it off the rear. And he's going to come back in on the dock. And here we go. We're going to take off again. Bro, you got to pull the kill switch. Just go ahead and pull the kill switch on the ski, and you'll be all good. But you can still see it's crazy busy down here at night, and that was why I wanted to do this episode. Once again, it's tough for us to catch anything really crazy going on down here just because it's dark, but I just wanted to show you guys this because it's one of the more unique situations we see at any boat ramp we do. Most of the other boat ramps we cover is not like this at night, But 79th, for whatever reason, at night, it really comes alive. So we finally got the jet ski out of the way, and our guy's got his truck and trailer down, and this is the same crew that gave us the shout out in the beginning of this video. But now we have to load the broken vessel, which always is a unique load typically down at the boat ramp. But they've also got something else going on here which adds a degree of difficulty. So they're not going to be able to power this on, and they've got the infamous floating trailer. So their aluminum trailer they have here is floating. You can see the wheel well just to the left of the 7. So now they're going to have the difficulty of trying to line this up, trying to get the boat on top of it without power, and the trailer floating. That always is a rough combo when you're trying to load this stuff up. So our guy's going to kind of line the trailer up. We've got somebody on one of the guide poles as well, and we're going to have to walk this thing on. You can hear the yelling and the screaming in the background. It is nuts down here. The madness at the boat ramp, 79th, is the definition of that. So our guy's going to walk this on, and they should be all right. I mean, really, they just got to get it over the trailer. We got somebody holding the guide pole. And probably going to have to push that down just to make sure we can get it onto the trailer. Here we go with the good heave-ho to try and get it pulled up. Unfortunately for this crew, it's going to pull almost to the bow stop, which I'm kind of surprised about. Typically the floating trailer makes this difficult, but they've got it handled. And they'll get this one buttoned up and ready to get out of here.
Mommy boat ramps, when you come out here to the docks on 79th Street, y'all gotta get the best tamales in Dade County. Period. Pork, everything. Fried pork inside the tamale and avocado. This is the main man right here, Miguel. This is his truck right here. When y'all pull up or leaving out, y'all gotta come by here. For sure.
79th is definitely the only boat ramp I've ever been to that has a food truck show up after dark because it knows it's busier after dark. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps and us showing you just a little different side of the boat ramps down in Miami. If you guys did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things over at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.